I literally think I have a shoulder bag addiction. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celesta. We talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do post videos every week. So I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video, we have a Celine unboxing. I am so excited for this bag. I know I normally put a little bit more, like I'm less impulsive with bag purchases in general, especially in this economy. But I tried this on and I couldn't stop thinking about it, so we picked it up. I'm gonna show you guys what we picked up. We're gonna do a little unboxing, but I also wanted to compare this bag with the Celine Triomphe, given that these are the two hottest styles at Celine at the moment. Compare what fits, everything you need to know about each of them, and which one I ultimately prefer. So with that said, let's jump right into the unboxing.
I feel like this is a little bit of a spoiler alert with the title, but who doesn't love a good unboxing? My essay was so nice. She gave me this little gym bag and some perfume samples, and she wrapped everything up so nicely. A moment of silence for the ASMR. I absolutely love this bag. I'm so excited that I finally got my hands on it. This was something that I wasn't expecting to add to my collection, but now that I do have her, I hopefully don't have any regrets. Okay, here she is. I am so excited. This is the Celine Ava in the white Triomphe canvas. It has a zipper closure and an adjustable strap with 3 holes.
Okay, so this is her. This is the Celine Ava in the white Triomphe canvas. I did pick it up in canvas over the leather one, and I'll kind of explain a little bit why in a little bit. But I wanted to start comparing between the Celine Ava and the Celine Triomphe, what fits, which one fits more, and then we'll get right into kind of like the pros and cons of each.
Okay, here's everything I'm attempting to shove inside either the Celine Triomphe and or the Celine Ava. Let's start with the Celine Triomphe. Honestly, kind of shocked a full-size Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet fits in here, but honestly, after you put your phone, literally nothing else fits. So I took that out. You can replace it with a card holder, a lippy, perfume, AirPods, a Louis Vuitton key pouch, and sunglasses do all fit in here. I don't recommend stuffing your bag this full, but that's okay. Moving on to the Celine Ava. This bag, again, does fit a full-size wallet, and you're able to fit a lot more stuff in here even with the full-size wallet, like the phone, lippy, perfume, AirPods, card holders, sunscreen. Personally don't need a full-size wallet, so I took that out, and then I put my sunglasses in here, and literally look at how much more space there is. So much bigger than the Triomphe.
So this is the Celine Ava, as I kind of talked about a little bit earlier. I feel like this and the Triomphe style are kind of the two hottest styles at Celine at the moment. Obviously, shoulder bags are very trendy at the moment, so I mean, it kind of makes sense why. This bag currently retails for $1,700 for the canvas version. This is canvas, and then I believe there's like a little bit of like leather trim and, you know, stuff like that. The full leather version does retail for $2,300, and this one I had a love-hate relationship with, because yes, for $2,300 for the all-leather version, this strap is removable, but I also don't love how the strap like kind of flops around, if that makes sense. So it is removable, it's adjustable, and you can like buy additional straps and kind of swap it in and out. I personally know that I don't think I'm gonna do that, so I felt like this was a great option for me. And then also the one with the removable strap, they're all the same size, but the one with the removable strap doesn't come in like this white canvas design, and this was kind of the design that I wanted. So also something to note in terms of the differences, this bag is a zipper closure, kind of obvious. Honestly, I kind of prefer a zipper closure over a clasp closure like this. I feel like this one's just a little bit harder to get in and out of. This bag is also coated canvas, so it's very carefree. A lot of my canvas bags, I don't have a white canvas bag, but I also don't think I'm going to be babying this bag, for example, as much as like a lambskin bag. I'm under the impression that this is a very carefree bag. Like, it's not going to scratch, it's water resistant. You're not going to have to baby this bag too much. The one thing that I would be a little bit more concerned about is color transfer, but this is also a shoulder bag. So unless you're wearing like a denim jacket, I can't imagine that this bag is going to get too much color transfer, since the way that it's going to sit it's not gonna touch your jeans. And I feel like jeans is usually the one that gives you the most color transfer. Inside the bag, there's a fabric lining and there's one pocket on the inside, which I do really like. I feel like some of these bags don't have like a interior pocket, so I think that's a great addition. And we kind of talked about this a little bit earlier. This bag has a adjustable strap right here, but it's not removable. There is a style that is removable, but I kind of prefer it like this. I like that the strap just like sits straight up. I don't feel like I need to remove it. I don't think there is a situation in which I would want to remove the strap and then swap it out and get a different strap. If I did want to do that, I actually have my Loewe Luna, which looks very similar to this. I only recently found out, but I can always do that with that bag as well. I do really, really like this bag and how lightweight this is. I envision myself using this as like a carefree grab and go summer bag, especially because like the brown, the tan kind of warms up the bag and it's just white. So I feel like a lot of more like lighter color, neutral color outfits would look great with this bag. I really see this as a carefree, everyday grab and go bag. And honestly, kind of a shocker to me, this bag fits more than the Celine Triomphe. Granted, the Celine Triomphe doesn't fit all that much, but I was kind of shocked that this bag fits more, and quite a bit more, honestly. So that was definitely a big shocker for me. Okay, now let's talk about the Celine Triomphe. This bag currently retails for $29.50, but this bag has continued to go up in price an insane amount even since I got this bag. When I first got this bag in October, like 6 months ago, this retails for $2,700, and now the fact that it's $29.50, almost $3,000, it's crazy. Like 6 months. This bag does have a canvas version as well, but it's the same price as the leather version. It's also $29.50. Why that makes sense, I have no idea. I personally would feel like a leather bag should cost more than a canvas bag, and it used to. There was one point I feel like it was like a $200 price difference, and I don't know if it's because the canvas version is just like that much more desirable that people are paying the same price as a leather version. If it was up to me, I would not get the canvas version, but you know, I talk about this quite a bit, but I think something that I really, really love about this bag is the leather and just like how luxurious this is. It's a smooth calfskin leather, and it's just so gorgeous and luxurious feeling. I will have to say that this bag is a fingerprint magnet. It is a scratch magnet. It is like, in general, more delicate. Maybe the lighter color bags wouldn't be as fingerprint but the black for sure, very fingerprint magnet. I don't know. I think like this bag is a little bit more high maintenance compared to the Celine Ava, but it is truly a very beautiful and stunning bag. And then we kind of talked about this with the other bag, but this has a clasp closure, so it is a little bit harder to get in and out of. If I was kind of on the grab and go, it's not as easy as a zipper, and then kind of like pushing it in, it is easier than I used to own the Celine belt bag, and that bag was really difficult to get in and out of. This is like relatively easy, but then also I wanted to note that inside is actually a lambskin lining, and you can already tell, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but you can already tell there's been a little bit of like scratches and like markings from like keys and nails and jewelry and stuff like that from just like getting inside the bag. Not a huge deal, it's inside the bag. I also think that maybe you can condition it out, but that's like, I guess, the difference between having a lambskin lining versus a canvas lining. Similar with the Celine Ava, the strap is non-removable. It is adjustable, but it's not removable. So one of the feedback that I would have for this bag, I genuinely love this bag to pieces, but if I could change one thing, it would be that you can remove this strap and like swap it out with a different strap. I feel like this shape, this size, as even like a crossbody, even like if you can like attach a chain to it, like whatever, I feel like that would make for a really, really pretty like bag that you can use for many different occasions. Don't get me wrong, you can still use this bag for many occasions, but I think adding like maybe just like little D-rings here that you can just like swap it out, I think that that would make for a really good addition to this bag, but I'm not the designer, they don't pay me the big bucks. In general, this bag, because it is a all leather handbag and has a metal clasp, it is heavier than the Celine Ava, which is why I feel like this doesn't make for as good of a grab and go bag in comparison to the Ava. This bag is, I envision this bag, I use this bag all the time, but I envision this bag more so as like an everyday bag, like an elevated look for an everyday bag, or even like an evening bag. This is something you can use for date night. This is not going to be a bag that you want to throw around just because of how delicate the leather is. And also I have been hearing some people get scratches on their hardware. My hardware still looks great, but I also literally had the sticker on it up until like maybe like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. So I feel like the hardware for sure is going to be prone to get scratched. So keep that in mind. If you're looking for a carefree option, I don't think that this one's going to be the way to go, but it is a very beautiful option. And then simply talking about like how comfortable each one is to sit on your shoulder, I think my shoulders like round downward, turn downward a little bit. I don't know. I don't know why bra straps, spaghetti straps, any strap like doesn't usually stay on my shoulder. I also had this issue with the YSL shoulder bag where I really wanted it. It was between this one and the YSL, and I ended up going with this one because this one sat very comfortably on my shoulder, on my body, and the YSL did not stay. I don't think that was a personal problem because a lot of people said that bag didn't stay, but I feel like it's a personal problem. And in terms of like these two shoulder bags, they both are very, very comfortable to sit on your shoulder. They do not come off, and that was like a huge thing for me because that's such a big pet peeve of mine where the strap just like falls off. It's constantly slipping off your shoulder. I do not have an issue with either of these. If I had to choose one, it would be the Celine Triomphe in terms of like how comfortable it sits. And I think this one just like really stays on there. And I think because of the shape, this one's a little bit more rounded and bulges out versus this one's a little bit more thin. So you can very comfortably just like put your arm down under your arm by your side and it sits flush. So the $1 million question, which one should you get? I personally have a shoulder bag addiction, if you couldn't tell. And I somehow justified getting both. I do think that these are very different styles, and it really depends on kind of what you're looking for. If you are looking for a summer bag, a casual bag, a grab and go, running errands, and again, this is still a very fashion forward bag, but I think that this could also have potential to be a classic, just because this hasn't been like shoved down our throats like via influencers. I do really like this bag. This is a lightweight bag. It's carefree. I mean, it's also under $2,000, which I find is very rare these days. So I think this is a great style. However, if you're looking for a style that can be dressed up and dressed down, very casual, a little bit more of like an elegant look to it, I think this is a great option for just a little over $1,000 more. I do really like this size over the other Celine Triomphe sizes just because you can wear this as a shoulder bag over like a crossbody. I'm not like a huge crossbody girl, so I think this is a great one. But on the flip side, this bag doesn't fit as much as the Ava, so you kind of have to pick and choose which one you like. This bag still fits all the essentials, don't get me wrong, but this one fits quite a bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments which style you prefer more. Are you team Celine Ava, team Celine Triomphe? Which one is it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave another video for you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!